get cameraman. Yeah, so I'm going to save it. Man, no, what? Oh, yeah, yeah. How to get great cameraman? First, first, first. Wait, I'm going to the YouTube. First, grab a melon. First, get to camera and such it look like a cameraman. Size to a cameraman. That's don't know. That's right. So I just kidding. That's right. Yeah, look like that. Yeah, okay, not like that. So and just touch it to his head, and don't forget to disable it and loading it. You don't disable it. You might be break his head, and if you not to do this, you just sorry guys. Need to this because to fall down easily. And add this to this character and place a block and size them to black because they have gloves, and size them, don't forget. So size them as this size. Don't forget them as this size. Oh my god, why are you so dumb? I am so dumb. Okay. Okay, not like that. No. Okay, not fit, so use this then, and he fit in, so that's together, and don't forget to disable and loading it, so I copy right away. Yeah, that's how we get. And the other arm thing, yeah, that's our size, same size. And that's so that thing, so yeah. That's how you make Speakerman. What? Not Speakerman, cameraman. That's how you can. That's make your cameraman.